बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू आर्मी पब्लिक डिग्री कॉलेज मलिर कैंट। One thing is very important for you before listening this video. You must have a book, notebook and stationery with you so that you can note down the points and you can write down the questions which you can ask later. Students, before starting the topic, there is an activity for you. Suppose if you request to your mother, Mama, I want to eat chicken biryani. Your mother gives you rupees 500 and says, go to market and bring following things. Now you go to market and according to above given table, what will you do? Think about it. Yes, students. Do this activity. Okay, now listen to me. When you go to the market, the rice is 150 rupees per kg, chicken 250 rupees per kg, tomato 50 rupees per kg, and fruit, that is apple, 100 rupees per kg. According to your mother, the quantity required: 1 kg rice, 1 kg chicken, 1 kg tomato, 1 kg fruit, apple. But if you buy all these things, you are having shortage of 50 rupees. What will you do? Yes, because chicken biryani is important. This is why you will buy rice, chicken and tomato according to the requirement of your mother. But fruit is not necessary for the chicken biryani. This is why you will cut down the quantity of fruit. You will buy half kg of apple, then it will be of 50 rupees and the total will be of 500 rupees. After this activity, I am going to share the topic of today's class. Topic is Introduction to Economics, and the subtopics are: what is economics about, definition of economics by different economists. The objectives of today's class are: a student will be able to know what is economics about. First of all, I am going to share dictionary meaning of word economics. The word economics means the science concerned with the production and consumption or use of goods and services. Meaning of word economics: the economic word has been derived from the Greek language. It is divided into two parts: eco and nomics. Eco is derived from the Greek language oikos. Oikos means a house. Nomics is derived from the Greek language word nemein. The meaning of remain is to manage. If we read altogether these words, we get a house to manage. Okay students, now we are going to discuss what is economics about. Like other subjects, what is physics about, what is chemistry about, and so on. Can you answer this question after performing the activity? What did you do in the activity? You were having less resource and more wants. For managing this, you cut down the quantity of that thing which were not necessary at that time. Then you manage it and you fulfill all your wants with the help of limited resource. So the answer of this question, what is economics about, is, look at the screen, how the man manages his unlimited want with the help of limited resource. You did the same thing. You were having unlimited wants and limited resource, but with the help of limited resource you manage it and you fulfill your requirements. Now we are going to discuss subject matter or definitions of economics stated by different economists in different eras. The history of economics is divided into three eras. First, classical era. Second, new classical era. This new means N-E-W, new, naya. Then modern era. In the classical era, first of all, the formal definition of economics is stated by Adam Smith. This is why he is known as father of economics. One MCQ is used to come in the paper. Who is father of economics? Adam Smith. So you must have to remember this. Who is father of economics? Yes, Adam Smith. The definition of Adam Smith was, economics is the science of wealth. Why did he say wealth? Because all the production is being done with the help of wealth and all the consumptions are being done with the help of wealth. After the Adam Smith, in the new classical era, Alfred Marshall gave the definition of economics in his word like this: economics is the science of material welfare. He said economics is not only science of wealth, actually economics is the science of material welfare. What is the meaning of material welfare? According to Alfred Marshall, material welfare means when the people are doing the production, then the other people are buying them. They are doing the welfare for them, because if they are doing the production and the buyers do not buy this, they will get the loss. And same, if the producer are not producing the things which are required by the buyer, then the buyer's requirements will not be fulfilling. Then the producer is doing the welfare for the buyers. The next era is the modern era. In this era, Robbins gives the definition of economics like this: economics is the science of scarcity and choices. If you consider again your activity, then this definition is matching with that. Yes, can anybody tell how it is matching? Yes, according to the activity we got what is economics about: how the man manages his unlimited wants with the help of limited resources. In this also, Robin said scarcity. Scarcity means limited resources are scarce. Means resources are scarce. And choices means unlimited wants. So his definition is economics is the science of scarcity and choices. Now recap of this class. First of all, we have learned what is economics about. Can you tell the answer? Yes. How the man manages his unlimited wants with the help of limited resources. This is a simple definition of economics which you can learn very easily. The second thing we learned, subject matter of economics or definition of economics. The definition of economics given by the different economists in different words. First of all, Adam Smith gave the definition: science, economy is the science of wealth. Then Alfred Marshall gave the definition: economics is the science of material welfare. And the Robbins gave the definition: economics is the science of scarcity and choices. Class, if you want to ask any question, any query, you can ask on the WhatsApp group. Assignment: write and learn the definition of economics. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.